In this video, we will cover the installation process of the premium crew doors on your Polaris General. Before we begin, we recommend installing and adjusting the front doors first, then install the rear doors. If needed, reference the front door installation video under part number 288-9809 for directions on how to make adjustments. Begin by placing the vehicle in park on a flat, level surface. Then turn the key to the off position and remove it from the vehicle. To remove the rear seat, lift up on the left side seat latch lever. Then remove the seat and set it aside. Repeat this process on the right side seat. Next, remove the 4 screws from the bolster panel. Then rotate the rear of the bolster out and remove it from the vehicle. After this, remove the 3 screws and nut from the bolster panel frame. Then remove the bolster panel frame and rear door. Next, remove the 2 screws, striker, and the push pin rivet. Repeat on the right side. To install the new rear doors, start by removing the lower rear screw and nut from the top of the chassis seat pillar fitting. Next, identify the 55mm long cap screw. Notice the difference between the 70mm and 55mm screws. Then install the upper left chassis side hinge to the chassis seat pillar fitting using the 55mm long cap screw and nut. Torque to specification. After this, install the lower left chassis side hinge and left strut bracket using the 65mm hex flange bolt, spacer, and nut. Torque to specification. Then install the ball fitting to the left strut bracket and tighten the nut. Next, loosely install the upper left door side hinge to the door frame using the 2 screws and conical spring washers. Make sure the cup side of the washer is towards the hinge. Then grease the hinge fasteners with Polaris all-season grease. Next, install the left door assembly to the upper and lower chassis side hinges. For the upper hinge, use the hex socket cap screw, 2 thinner and smaller nylon washers, and nut. For the lower hinge, use the hex flange bolt, 2 larger and thicker nylon washers, and nut. Torque to specification. Next, install the strut to the ball fitting by firmly pushing the strut into the fitting. The retention clip will snap into place when the strut is fully seated. Then, install the upper left B-pillar trim using the 2 brackets and screws. Do not over-tighten the screws. Next, install the lower left B-pillar trim using the retained push pin rivet. After this, install the brackets using the 2 screws. Do not over-tighten the screws. Then, install the striker bracket to the chassis using the 2 screws. Center the bracket, then tighten the screws. Next, we are going to check the alignment of the door. Start by loosening the 2 upper door side hinge screws along with the lower hinge screws. With the hinges loose, close the door and adjust accordingly to ensure there is clearance from the front door while maintaining contact with the vehicle chassis and the door perimeter seal. Once the clearance and perimeter seal is verified, hold door in place and tighten the upper and lower hinges. Next, torque the 2 upper and lower hinge screws to specification. Next, ensure the door latch and powel are properly positioned by slowly closing the door and note alignment. Adjust the height and depth of the striker hardware accordingly to achieve the desired seal compression and door fairing. Then torque to specification. After this, take the left side foam seal, peel the adhesive from the seal, and firmly press the seal into place. Then install the 2 plugs. Repeat this procedure for the right side door. To reinstall the rear left seat, press down on the seat to latch it into place. Make sure the seat is fully installed and repeat this process on the right side seat. For more information, contact your Polaris dealer or visit general.polaris.com.